Have you ever smelt that hint of chlorine from your tap? Do you buy bottled water, then lug it home? What a hassle! There is a better way. Introducing Genesis, the next generation water filter. Genesis is the convenient way to enjoy great tasting drinking water from your kitchen tap all year round. This Slimline filter delivers clean, fresh drinking water at a fraction of the cost of bottled water or spring water. And best of all, it installs in minutes. To fit, unscrew your tap's aerator, exposing a threaded end, and screw Genesis's diverter valve onto that thread. If the thread is inside the tap, then screw the chrome converter into the tap end before fitting the diverter valve. That's it, it's fitted, ready for use. For unfiltered water, to wash hands, dishes and benches, use your tap as usual. For filtered water, pull the diverter button out. Water will flow through the multiplex filter, removing chlorine, smells, taste, odor, as well as lead and other microorganisms that are found in water. The filter treats 1,200 litres of drinking water before it needs replacing. That's equivalent to 2,400 standard 500ml bottles of spring water. You do the maths. The cost savings are amazing. And the convenience too. No more lugging water home, no more running out just when you need it. So whether you're filling a glass or bottle, making a cuppa, rinsing leafy salads and greens, or making ice cubes, Genesis is there, delivering great tasting water each and every time. And don't forget your pets, pot plants and irons too. They'll love Genesis just as much as you do. Genesis, delivering great tasting water each and every time.